As my journey of the Red Planet begins, I traveled to the northern region of Mars first. I found I was not the only one exploring this area. Much to my surprise, I found some green Martians hiking along in what I like to call the green eyeball of Mars. I thought I was the only girl in the world. But as you can see, I had company. This green eye of Mars is really known as the northern polar ice cap. This ice cap is made up of both H2O and CO2. They believe that the core of the ice cap is H2O, but it is always covered by a much larger seasonal deposit of CO2 frost. The surrounding this ice cap is sand dunes, much like we see on Earth. These images you are seeing of the sand dunes are beautiful. They are undisturbed by the human foot and rover tracks. And the green Martians hiking must have taken a different path as well to reach the northern polar ice caps. As we leave the green eyeball of Mars and head to our next location that caught my eye, you'll notice that it's a popular spot as well, as there's more green Martian men hiking at the top of the screen. I like this image of Mars as it shows many craters, most of them being circular, but you have the one rather large, irregular shaped one at the bottom. That one is known as Orcus Patera. I could print this image of Mars and use it when I teach my Algebra 1 students ratio and proportions. If I gave them the size of one of the craters, they could use that and form proportions and ratios to find the size of all the rest of them. This is why I chose this as our second location to visit, and that concludes our tour of Mars.